model, 67-plate Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 314 2.2 CDI 3.5T van ULEZ Euro 6 spares OR repairs Grin. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 287781. MOT, 2 November 2024. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651 140 HP Mi2B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, timing chain has snapped. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.